Question number 15 asks us to find the area and the perimeter of the triangle shown below. Now notice this triangle is not a right triangle. It's close to a right triangle. Actually, looking at the side lengths, I actually know it is a right triangle, but we don't know that from the diagram. It doesn't mark this top angle as a right angle. But it doesn't matter, because for area of a triangle, it's always going to be 1/2 of a base times the height. And the way this triangle is drawn for us, we can see that the base measurement is 5 feet. And we can see there's a line drawn up through this triangle up to the top vertex. And we can assume that this is the height. Otherwise, they probably wouldn't have measured it and put a dashed line there. Really, technically, this diagram should have a right angle right here to let us know that is an altitude, or that is a measure of the height of this triangle. So really, this one's pretty easy, even though we can assume it's not a right triangle. All we got to do is plug in our values. This is going to be 1/2 of the base length, which is 5, times the height of the triangle, which is 3.2. And let's go ahead and plug that into our calculator. I'm going to clear that. It's going to be 1/2, or parenthesis 1 divided by 2 parenthesis times 5 times 3.2, and our answer is exactly 8. So the area is exactly 8. Our units are in feet, and area is always in squared units, so it's 8 feet squared. Let's take a look at our perimeter. Well, let's remember our definition of perimeter. Area is the space inside of our polygon, in this case a triangle. Perimeter is the measure of the distance around our polygon, or around this triangle. We've got the measure of our 3 sides already marked here. That makes it pretty easy. Perimeter is just going to be 3 plus 4 plus 5 feet, and that is equal to 12 feet. And that is going to be just in feet, not feet squared, because that is a measure of distance. If you walked around this triangle, you'd actually be walking 3 feet, then you'd walk another 5 feet, and you'd walk another 4 feet. So you've got 3, 5, and 4. We're going to add those together, and we end up with a perimeter of 12 feet.